In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. Now we want to do the half double crochet into this stitch here. So before we start, we have to yarn over, then put the hook into the stitch, yarn over again, and then pull that loop up. We now have 3 loops on the hook. Now you want to yarn over for a final time and pull that through all 3 loops on the hook, and that is a half double crochet. Let's go through that one more time. Yarn over before we start, then into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And that is a half double crochet.